Okay, in this video we're going to talk about UDTs and classes, and we're going to let the audio play.
In VBA, Visual Basic for Applications, both user-defined types, UDTs, and classes allow you to create complex data structures or objects that can encapsulate multiple pieces of data and, in the case of classes, behaviors. Understanding how to define and use these constructs can greatly enhance the power and readability of your code by allowing you to work with custom data types that are tailored to your specific needs. User-defined types, UDTs, also known as structs in some other programming languages, allow you to group related pieces of data under a single type. UDTs are ideal for simple structures that just need to hold data without any associated methods, functions, or subroutines. Defining a UDT. You define UDTs using the type, end type syntax outside of any sub or function, typically at the top of a module. VBA type player name as string, score as integer, active as boolean, end type. Using a UDT once defined, you can declare variables of your UDT, assign values to their fields, and pass them around in your program. VBA subdemo UD dim current player as player. Current player.name equals John Doe, current player.score 100, current player.active equals true. Debug.print current player.name, current player.score, current player.active and subclasses. Classes are more powerful than UDTs. They can encapsulate data like UDTs, but they can also include their own methods and properties. Classes support features like inheritance to a limited extent in VBA, encapsulation, and polymorphism, making them suitable for more complex object-oriented programming tasks. Defining a class. To define a class in VBA, you add a class module to your project. 1. In the VBA editor, right-click on your project in the Project Explorer. 2. Choose Insert Class Module. 3. In the Properties window, give your class a meaningful name like CPlayer. Inside the class module, you can define properties and methods. VBA, in CPlayer class module, private pname as string, public property getName as string, name equals pname, end property. Public property, let name, value as string, pname equals value end property. Using a class, instantiate class objects with the new keyword, set their properties, call their methods, and use them to build more complex and interactive data structures. VBA subdemo class, dim player as new CPlayer, player.name equals Jane Doe, debug print player.name and sub. Comparison and use cases. Use UDTs when you need a simple structure to bundle data without needing behaviors, methods, or when you want a lightweight object for temporary storage of closely related data points. Use classes when your data structure needs to encapsulate behavior or operations as methods. You need more control over how data is accessed through properties, or when your programming model benefits from object-oriented features like inheritance and polymorphism. Classes offer far more flexibility and power, enabling you to build more complex and robust VBA applications. However, for simple data-only structures, UDTs can be a quicker and more straightforward choice.